Rhinefalls in Switzerland. We will do a half an hour boat ride in Rhinefalls. It's the largest waterfall in Europe. So guys, we are on the Switzerland border. When we cross the Switzerland border, the nearest tourist spot will be the Rhinefalls. I thought they would be checking our passports, but they didn't check anything. They just checked the passport. It is the largest waterfall in Europe. Half of it is in Switzerland, half of it is in Germany. It has a lot of historical value. During the war, it was being destroyed. Later, they decided to keep it as a landmark between Germany and Switzerland. The view, there are so many seagulls flying over the sea, and right now we are going on a boat. It is very no, I'm not scared. It's very cool. We went in December, so you can see we are really packed because the water is really cold. So guys, we're gonna go on this boat and we're gonna go very near to the Rhinefall, but not in the Rhinefall because it's really dangerous. The boat can drown. They gave us the audio guide by which we learned a lot. The history is quite interesting. It's so pretty that I can't capture the real beauty in the videos. Don't miss this spot. You can see some people standing right beside the falls, but we skipped that part. It was really cold. The boat took us quite near to the waterfall. You can feel the water pressure. The boat gives you 2 rounds near the falls and then they get you back to the deck. So many fishes, the water is quite clear, but the fishes aren't moving. That's strange. So now we need to find something halal to eat nearby. So we ate McDonald's fish and burger. So easy. Yeah, just maybe let me come. See you later, alligator.